The Leaning Tower of Pisa started leaning almost as soon as construction began in the 12th century. Why? The soil beneath the tower was uneven, with more sand on the north side and more clay on the south. This imbalance caused the tower to tilt. Over the centuries, the tilt became more pronounced, and by 1990, it had reached a scary 5.5 degrees. The soil was playing favorites, more sand on the north, more clay on the south. This uneven foundation was a recipe for disaster. By 1990, the tilt was at a scary 5.5 degrees. Engineers jumped in to save the day. They knew they had to act fast to prevent the tower from collapsing. First, they threw on some lead counterweights, 600 tons of them, to stop the tower from becoming Pisa's newest pancake. It worked, but it wasn't a long-term fix. The counterweights helped stabilize the tower temporarily, but the engineers knew they needed a more permanent solution. Next, they tried ground anchors, and even some sci-fi sounding electro-osmosis, but nope, the tower wasn't having it. Ground anchors were supposed to provide additional support by anchoring the tower to the ground, but the soil conditions made it difficult to achieve the desired stability. Electro-osmosis, a technique that uses electrical currents to stabilize soil, also proved ineffective. The engineers were running out of options. Finally, they hit gold with under-excavation. Using inclined drills and a hollow stem auger, they carefully removed soil from beneath the north side. Imagine a very delicate, very high-stakes game of operation. This method required precision and patience. From 1999 to 2001, they drilled 41 holes and took out 70 tons of soil. The process was slow and meticulous, but it was working. The result? The tower's tilt was reduced by about 0.5 degrees, taking it back to its 1800s lean. This may not sound like much, but it was a significant achievement. The engineers had managed to stabilize the tower without compromising its iconic lean. They even installed a drainage system and structurally connected it to the catino for extra support. And guess what? They didn't straighten it completely. Why? Because what's a Leaning Tower of Pisa without its iconic lean? The engineers understood that the tower's charm lay in its tilt. Straightening it completely would have taken away its unique character, so they left it with a slight lean, ensuring it remained a beloved landmark. Now, it's safe, and still charmingly tilted. Talk about a win-win. The Leaning Tower of Pisa continues to attract millions of visitors each year, all thanks to the brilliant minds who saved it from collapse. The story of the tower is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of engineering. So next time you see Pisa, give a nod to the engineers who turned a potential disaster into a masterpiece. Stay curious, folks. The world is full of incredible stories like this one, just waiting to be discovered.